Hi, my name is Mark and I'd like to show you around our Ford Transit cage tipper with toolbox. This is a 2006 model. It's had one previous owner and comes with a new MOT. Looking into the cab area, you can see it's clean and tidy. If you look inside, you can see the back area is fully enclosed. So we can see in the toolbox there, so you've got roller shutter doors, both lockable both sides, and with a hand wash system. Let's have a look inside the engine bay of our Ford Transit cage tipper. Looking into the engine bay, you can see it is clean and tidy, no evidence of any oil leaks, and the marks are at the correct levels. Now onto the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Ford Transit cage tipper. We're going to be testing the gears, the steering and the brakes. Firstly, we're going to be starting up the engine. As you can see, it starts it up straight away, no dashboard warning lights on and no unusual noises coming from the engine. Now part of the video appraisal and road test is we're going to attempt to get up to 60 miles an hour to demonstrate to you the gears, the steering and the brakes. Now this has got the 6-speed gearbox. This comes with a CD player. There we go. Going through the gears right now. Very nice, the gears on this. Into 5th, just getting up into 6th gear now. Okay, take my hands off the steering wheel. You can see it drives in a straight line. Give the steering wheel a quick shake. There we go, that's very responsive. And now on approach to the roundabout, we're going to be braking. Once again, hands off the steering wheel. There's no pulling and no juddering. And that concludes the video appraisal and the road test of our Ford Transit cage tipper. Thank you very much for watching this video.